What a long school day. Let's take off my shoes. It's better. I'm stirring. Let's see what we have here. Cookies and lemonade. I love lemonade. It's hot. I want ice. Ice, please. What's that? Make up your bed. Warm your dinner. Write your homework. Throw away the garbage. Take the dog out for a walk. Brush your teeth before going to bed. Have a bath. Prepare your clothes for next school day. That's my mom. Hey, do you know what I think about this refrigerator? I think it's terribly boring.
Yeah, right.
And I think I know exactly what I have to do with it. Yippee! Look what I got. Magnetic mini tower. That's super cool. This is a great solution for boring refrigerators like mine. Like the fun start. What we have here? Mini white tiles, rubber magnets, paint strip with the different colors, and paintbrush. First, I will draw a butterfly, and I will use blue color.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
Ready?
Fell off
That's my second project. Now I'll draw a big
Mama
heart.
called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
And my second project is ready.
It's
time for flowers.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more
Now I'm
monkeys
gonna draw a
jumping on
moon.
the bed." 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "Put those monkeys right to bed."
Now my favorite food, cupcake.
Yippee!
Well, it's time for change. No more rules, no more obligations. It's time for my fun magnetics. I think it's better. It's more fun. What do you think, my friends? Before or after? Tell me, which is your favorite? The moon, the cupcake, the butterfly, sun, the heart, or the flowers? I like all of them. It's so late. I go to bed. Bye.
Betty, I'm home, sweetie. Oh, she must have been tired after all the tasks I had let her to do. What? What's that?
I love you, Mom.
Elizabeth Taylor's Hudson. You're in big trouble.